So guys, I just discovered this amazing platform that gives you a virtual Visa card that you can spend almost anywhere in the world that Visa is accepted. Now, whether you are shopping online, you're paying for subscription, booking flights, or making international payment, this card makes the process simple and easy for you. Now, I've been testing this for a while now, and I must say it's a very great platform because the setup and everything is simply easy and straightforward. So in this video, I will show you everything about them real quick, how it works, how to fund this place, and how to get everything done. But before we go ahead to do that, let me just show you how the platform is itself. Like I said, this platform is really simple to use. Everything is straightforward, and you can use their card almost anywhere in the world. As you can see right here, it says prepaid Visa card that you can use on over 200 plus countries, and that is amazing. Now if you look at this side as well, you can see here you have Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria right now, and I can register in this platform and I use it and fund my account and spend the money anywhere. Now if I click on this Nigeria right here and I click on this, and you can see there are several countries right here. You can see there are several countries right here. I don't just want to start looking at all of them. I just want to show you that they accept almost over 200 countries. You understand? So whether you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in Europe, you're in anywhere, believe me when I say, as long as visa is accepted in that country, you can create this your virtual account and you can start making use of it to buy anything or spend online. Now let me also show you right here. You can see right here you have the reward card, you have gift cards, and you have eSIM. So these are the major things also you can do in this platform. So if I click on the reward card right here, you can see this is where you can load your card, and also you can easily send the reward to anybody that you want to send. So for instance, let's say you have a friend that is using this platform and you are using this platform, so you can easily send money from your own account to the person's account. For instance, if I want to do that, all I need to do is to put the amount right here, put the recipient's name right here, then I'll put the recipient's email. Now this recipient email must, sorry, recipient last name, and then I put deliver to here. Now this deliver to here, everything you can see right here must match what the person has in his own dashboard. For instance, you can see the name shown on card, because if you create your card, you're going to see your name on your card, and also the email must be the email the person used in registering. So this is very, very wonderful, guys. And also, if you look at this place, we have gift cards. So I'm going to go to the gift cards right now. Now on the gift cards platform, you can see there are lots of gift cards right here. You can see babies, electronics, and all of that. So if you look at this place right now, you can see that I say no cards found most popular. Try a different search or category. Now, if I just click on this see all right here, you can see that we have cards that will pop up if you are in Nigeria. You can see right here, you have Spar, you have Jumia, you have this is Ikeja Electronics, and sorry, Ikeja Electricity, and so many of them right here. You can see you have 27. So it's saying showing 10 out of 27. If I click load more, you can see. So these are all what gift cards that you can buy. If I click on any of them, let me just say I click on Jumia right now, you can see I can buy this Jumia gift card right here and I can spend it on Jumia platform, right? So this is how the platform works. And another thing you can see right here is the eSIMs. So if I click on the eSIM, let me just explain that real quick before we go on how to fund our account, because I'm going to walk you through on the process of also funding your account, which is also very, very easy to do. So right here we are on the eSIM dashboard. You can see, if you come down right here, you can see these are all different countries. Now all you just need to do, depending on the country you are, you can just buy your eSIM from this place, and then you start making use of the data right away, and it's very, very straightforward. So I've shown you a lot of things about this platform. If I come back to this their homepage right here, if you want to know more about them, all you just need to do is to come down to this place that says frequently asked questions. So let me look for the frequently asked questions section. You can see them right here. Frequently asked question: what is vex of Visa card reward? So all you just need to do is to read them up, just read them up, open them up and read them. They are easy to see, and everything here is straightforward. Now that I've shown you everything about this platform, also if you want to see how it works, you can just click here pick an amount, pay your way, spend anywhere, Visa works. That is it. Simple and short. Now let's go on how to easily fund our account so that you see how everything works. All right, so before we fund our account, let us first of all understand how to register. So I'm going to leave the link of this platform in the description of this video. So just click on that link and you're going to come to this place. That is my affiliate link. So if you make use of that link, I'm going to get extra commission at no cost to you at all. So try to use that link so that you also support my work right here. Okay. So first of all, when you use the link, you're going to come to this place and then all you just need to do is to put your email. So this is the email I use in registering. Now, this place does not use password, right? So the email, you have to send OTP to that email. So once I send OTP to that email, the OTP acts as your password. So I'm just going to put my password right now, which is the OTP that I will receive on my email. Then I'll click on verify OTP and right away I'm logged back in to my account. So that is how you get access to this account and that is how you also register on the platform. There is no password for this, just your email and the OTP you receive. So make sure the email you're using is a legitimate email and it's a working email because of course you'll be using it to store the money and purchases, right? So now let's fund the account. So after registering and everything, the next thing you want to do is to fund your account. So all you just need to do is to click on this reward card right here, or you click on this specs, or whichever one you click, you can see on this place, you can see say get your reward card, and then it comes here. So once it comes, you can see right here, everything here is showing not my name, right? So I'll just choose here. And if you come right here, you can see that the maximum you can fund is $1,000. The minimum you can fund is $5. So if I put $1, the amount must be at least $5. You can see right there. If I put 1,500, you can see amount cannot exceed 1,000. So I'm just going to leave it at $5. This is a test, of course, so that I see how you can fund your account. Then the next, I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put that's my first name right there. I'm going to put my last name right here, and then I'm going to put my email, which is the email I use in registering. After doing that, the next thing I want to do is to click on pay with crypto. I want to pay with crypto, right? So if I want to send to somebody, that's when I will use this one. Maybe I want to send to someone that owns the same account, or I want to purchase something. That's when I will use one. For this time, I want to pay with crypto because I want to fund my account. Now, if you look at here, this place now has innocent Ella. Balance will be $4, $5, and all of that. So I will click on pay $5 and send card, right? So it brings me right to this place. So here, you can see the order ID is this, product is this, and everything, and this is the amount. So it's saying I'm using Theta USDT and it is done. Yeah, so I'm going to change it. I want to use Ton. You can use anyone you want to use. I want to make use of Ton. So I've choose that. The next thing I want to do is to click on next step. So the reason I'm using Ton, of course, is because Ton is cheaper than Tron, right? So I'm just going to click on next step and then wait for it. So now you can see this is where I'll make payment. So here I can either copy this and then send the money to this, or I will use my Bybit. If I'm using Bybit or I'm using any other exchange, for this one I'm using Bybit. So I'll just use my Bybit to scan this and then I'll send the money. But make sure, guys, make sure that you are sending the right amount and from the right um network. For instance, I'm using Ton, right? So make sure that is what you're doing. So I'll choose Ton on my phone. All right, as you can see, it says transaction successful. Your transaction was successful. Check your email for details. So as you can see, we're able to get our Visa card. Now, why we are seeing right here, what we are seeing right here is the balance after they have deducted the amount for the Visa card itself. Because of course, you understand that you have to purchase the Visa card. It's not like they're going to give you the Visa card for free. So right now, I have already purchased my own Visa card, virtual Visa card. I can use it to purchase anything right now in this place. All I just need to do now is to top up, right? Anytime I want to use it now, all I just need to do is to top up. And whenever I add money here, they're not going to deduct any money again from me. And of course, if I come to this, my orders right here, you can see it says successful. You can see it right here, success, visa prepaid. So that was what I paid for, and that was why I was charged that amount. And what I have right now in my balance is just this. So if I want to add more money, it's just for me to fund the account again. So guys, this is exactly how you get this PerkZup virtual card. So if you want to get this, all you just need to do is to use the link in this description of this video and then register on this platform and also get your virtual card. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question about this, just drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to your questions for you. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed.